placing the toilet paper roll in the pan of boiling water. It looks absolutely crazy at first glance, but boiling a roll of toilet paper is actually the ultimate household secret your wallet has been waiting for. Let's be honest, if you are still spending tons of hard-earned money every single month on expensive store-bought air fresheners, plug-ins, or aerosol sprays that completely lose their scent after just a couple of days, you need to stop right now. I want you to trust the process on this one. And don't blink, because we are turning this basic, everyday bathroom staple into a maximum-strength, slow-release freshness core that outperforms almost everything on the market. Once the hot water completely breaks down the factory glue and loosens up those tightly wound layers, you'll want to carefully remove that center cardboard core. Give it a gentle squeeze to get rid of the excess moisture, but keep it damp. Now we're tearing the paper down into small, fluffy, pillowy pieces and placing them right into a clean, heat-safe glass container. By meticulously separating the fibers like this, we are creating thousands of tiny, microscopic pockets that are perfectly primed to trap, hold, and lock in scent molecules for weeks on end. Now let's build the magic scent layers. First, we're infusing the base with a very generous capful of Ultra Downy April Fresh Fabric Conditioner. This gives us that deep, comforting, long-lasting fabric freshness that completely hugs the room. Next, we coat the entire top layer with Wizard Carpet and Room Deodorizer. This step is crucial because the baking soda formula actually works to neutralize stubborn, bad odors in the air rather than just masking them with heavy perfume. Finally, we lock everything in with a splash of Lysol Clean and Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner for that sharp, pristine, ultra-clean punch. Watch how those thirsty paper fibers completely drink this mixture up, trapping the liquid deep inside so it's physically impossible for it to evaporate all at once. To transform this from a mixture into an actual working home diffuser, we are going to seal the top completely airtight using a piece of aluminum foil. This keeps the core moisture locked inside, so your creation won't dry out in a matter of days. Now pay incredibly close attention to this next part. Taking a small pin, nail, or toothpick, you want to puncture even, precise ventilation points all across the top surface. This creates a brilliant, controlled release system, allowing just the right amount of continuous, high-potency freshness to escape into the air every single second. And there you have it, your very own custom, high-potency DIY scent diffuser that costs pennies to make but smells better than a luxury hotel. Tucked right away in the corner by the baseboards, completely out of sight, it creates a constant, powerful wall of freshness exactly where you need it most. Try this out in your own bathroom tonight. Drop a comment below, letting me know what scent combination you used, and hit that follow button so you never miss another brilliant home hack.